Should've did this sooner, but I had to lose the first place. This shit, ooh yeah. I'ma take it to the moon. Don't smoke with me.
Okay.
I'ma get you with it now. Long nose like glue. Got my minions on the move. I'm not sorry, no. Baby, we gon' get the
What? What?
We gon' hit the highway. We gon' do this my
Oh.
Can let it go. If you're stressed, get down.
Yeah, just keep dying there. Yes. Yes. For the love of fucking God, can I get to the drop?
But I wasn't deserved for you.
What?
I kept on squeezing. But you the loser. Insisted on spinning.
Oh, I'm so fat.
Get death in our eyes. This is the mess you made. Can I ruin your life? She said yes you may. When I hold you up, not stressed away. Drop closer.
No fucking way.
Okay.
You good, man? I think he'd 100% be down for Zave.
I need a fucking job, man. Can you talk to Leo next time you see him?
Yeah, got you. Again, my schedule should have come in already, so let me see what days I'm working.
Netanyahu, please bless my attempt. Oh my God! Oh my fucking God!
Holy shit, dude.
Oh my fucking God!
I pledge allegiance to Israel.
Okay. Alexa, what is 9,602 plus 3,551?
The sum is 13,153.
153 times.
What number should I multiply 13,153?
Shut the fuck up!
Naruto, why are you blushing?
Cause she's giving me a fucking boner. Fuck you, I got pissy test.